Today, I am going to tell you the different spices that we can use in making the biryani. Here, I am going to tell you the quantity as well as the name of the spice that is going to be used. Apart from this, if you have any other doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below. We make sure we answer to your questions. All these spices, I am going to tell the measure for 2 glasses of basmati rice that you are going to cook. Spice number 1. Number 1, the cinnamon or the pattai in Tamil or dalchini in Hindi. We make use of 1-inch size cinnamon piece. Spice number 2, cloves, gramba in Tamil and long in Hindi, 2 medium sized. Spice number 3, Marathi mogu or the Pahadi long, 1 piece. Spice number 4, cardamom, elakai or the ilachi, quantity 2 numbers. Spice number 5, Shahi Jeera, quantity just quarter teaspoon with a small teaspoon. Spice number 6, it's called as star anise. Spice number 7, stone flower or kalpasi or dagad fool, quantity 1 small piece. Spice number 8, the bay leaf or the biryani elai or the tej patta, quantity 2 leaves. Spice number 9, black pepper or milagu, quantity 5 to 6. And other common spices like turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, etc. plus the ginger and garlic paste.